Welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this piping spool in Solidworks. So in this video I will use different sizes of flanges. I use well neck flange, pipe and reducer are generally used to change the higher bore pipe to lower one. So we also use a valve. So look how we create this assembly. So I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching. So look how we do this in SolidWorks. So here we go to the file, select new. Here we select assembly. Okay. Now we just enter assembly. So select and make it plain white. Here go to the piping, and now here select this one, routing, and select the flange. So we will keep weld neck flange. So here it will ask sizes. So here we will keep it weld neck flange 150, and NPS we will keep 1. Okay, here we will save this assembly. Now we assemble, save to our desktop, our destination. Okay, so here our root property. So we can change the pipe schedule. So according upon you. So what will you keep? We will change 40, 60, 80 schedule, depend upon you. So look, we do this. So first just we increase this line, drag this direction, the sizes of pipe will be increased. Okay, now again we go to the reducer, select this one, simply select and drag to this point. Okay, here we will keep it 1 into 0.75 and schedule we will keep 160. Okay, the sizes of pipe will be decreased. Okay, so here we again apply the flanges. So go to the flange, select weld neck flange and select this point. Okay, so again we will keep, here we will keep NPS 0.75. so it will automatically selected according to the size of pipe, so no need to worry about this. Okay, go to the assembly, select sketch, select smart dimension, select this line, make this one 200. Okay, so now select this line, make this line 110 mm. Okay, now here is time to create a flange assembly. So flange, sorry, not flange, we will keep valve. So select globe valve, so simply select, drag to this point. So it will be selected according to the flanges, sizes of flange. Okay, now here we select, now exit this sketch. So we will delete this one, select, right click, select, delete. So we will keep it remove pipe. So it will be cut this pipe from this one. Okay, now exit this sketch. So here is time to mirror to this spool to opposite direction. So first we will create plane. So go to the reference geometry, select plane, select this face and this one face. So here we will keep mid plane, so it's help to mirror. So go to the mirror component, select this plane and select this spool, So here we tick this arrow. Okay, so it's now okay. So this one, look how we mirror to this side. So this is the basic tutorial according to piping routing. So I will keep more tutorial uh, in this channel, so keep it watching and like and subscribe my channel. I will upload more tutorial according to routing. So look how we do, and keep our channel, subscribe my channel for more video and project. So I will keep upload more and more tutorial regarding to this routing. Thanks for watching.